So here is the LibreOffice PDF editing tutorial. Starting off, you need to open up the LibreOffice application, and as you can see, we're already here. Now, on the left side, you can click on Create File. After that, scroll through the drives on your device and look for the PDF that you want to edit. So now I'll scroll through and choose my desired PDF. And after you find it, just double-click or click on Open. Now, as you can see, the PDF is open in the editor. Here, you can select whichever page you want to edit on the left side. After that, select any part, such as this text, and you can type in whatever you want to replace it with. This way, you can make all your necessary changes on your PDF. Just go through your desired sections and select it to type in your new text. And that is exactly how to edit PDF files on LibreOffice.